today's world, it's all about talent. HR is all about talent. HR has now, I think, transitioned from the stage of being a personnel management function to more of a talent management function. I'm Dr. Syed Khurram Hussain. I'm the head of human resources for Getz Pharma, and I've been in the role of head of HR for the last 1 year. We have a session which has been dedicated a whole day, 9 hours of rigorous discussion and critique again on the subject matter. I think there was the audience that came in today. I'll talk about the audience because they came in from a diversified background, which added a lot of learning opportunity. So there were people from banking sector, there were people from manufacturing sector, there were people here from of course from pharmaceutical, then there were academia as well. So the knowledge that was being shared was multi-factor, it is multi-dimensional, it was multidisciplinary within the HR framework. About the speaker, well, or let's call him the moderator and the facilitator or the seminar manager. I think I've attended several sessions from people coming from INSEAD, from Harvard, from Cambridge, and the best thing that I liked about the speaker was he was highly engaged with us, and there was and the benefit of engaging the audience to me is that you're able to express yourself, you're able to sort of give your thoughts freely. And that is, I give thumbs up for that to the speaker. Of course, he is a subject matter expert. I'm a fan of the speaker from the fact that I've done my research on the speaker. I found Mr. Lars' blog in which he's talked a lot about the topic that he shared today, the happiness sweet spot. The idea behind the whole program today, the whole seminar today was amazing. There was a lot of, as I said, not only that there was learning, but I think the speaker gave us a lot of material to read. I've rarely attended any one-day seminar or one-day workshops where we would get a whole lot of stuff, research papers and case studies to read with. So there's a lot of take-home assignment, so which is going to keep us engaged with the subject. So we'll be spending quite a few time on going back and reading all of this and trying to then apply the learning. So this was a very good initiative. My heartfelt congratulations to the team of Knowledge Now. I think these guys are doing a wonderful job. My also congratulations for them to partner with HR.com for facilitating HR certifications, which are professional certifications, something that lacks again in our part of the world, because getting a business degree in HR or getting masters in HR does not mean that you will be able to correlate or you'll be able to sort of deliver what you've learned. You need to have a professional certification. And also I would like to extend my best wishes and my sincere good luck to Knowledge Now team for initiating the online webinar series. I am a very fond attendee of those webinars. I've attended one of them and I'll be attending more of them. There are some interesting webinars that are coming up. One of them that I'm really looking forward to attend is on branding, which is on this Friday. So again, my congratulations and good luck to the team of Knowledge Now and all their partners who worked tirelessly behind this. So thank you very much.